Man, club member, man, club leader right here.
What's going on, y'all?
Yeah, he
Back with another banger.
You already know what's going on.
Oh yeah, he got a little weight going on. He trying to get it ready. Let me show you what he got going on right here.
Yeah,
Let me
like
show you
toe
what
down and ugly right now.
Yeah, look rough right here.
Look like it ain't gonna make it,
You
don't
gonna
it?
look like I'm gonna make it.
You got 3 weeks to make it. Pretty much 18 days to have that truck ready.
18 days.
Less than 3 weeks.
Less than 3 weeks,
Yeah,
yep.
18 days to have that joker together and with music
And on the
playing,
trailer. Together and on the trailer in 18 days. Yeah, you know.
Gotta have a 5
One
cent.
thing about it though,
Yeah.
he got a whole lot of work to do.
Lot of work,
And
man.
the thing about it,
Lot of work.
he ain't got no time to sit around.
I ain't got no time to
He
bullshit.
can't get out of the ring and just come home and chill. He gotta be on the ball.
got
and
to
everything.
be
Yeah, you can see his speaker bars right there. No, it's
I
218
gotta
bucks.
sand it down. I plan on sanding it down and repainting it. I plan on it. I got
Got so much.
some plans may have to be cut out, like we done already. Once again, we ain't got but 18 days, and I got a lot of work to do. So the most important thing is getting this thing playing, getting it performing for scraping. A couple of cosmetic issues we're gonna try to take care of, so we look good too. But man, right now that's where we at. I really been focused on making sure all the members was going, and I just kind of put myself last.
Main thing is, don't get on side that great thing if your music ain't together. I ain't no big dog, man. This is the big dog. I'm just the middleweight class.
Middleweight.
Once we get this thing put back together, you definitely better have your shit together when you get on side of it. That's a promise right there.
I heard that.
That's
But thing about it though, they got to pass me first.
yeah, you gotta get past this motherfucker first.
You gotta pass
If
me
you
first.
can't get past here, you just leave this motherfucker here alone.
Leave it alone.
Yeah, don't even step over this way.
You gotta
So,
pass.
This is one of our top middleweight class members right here. I mean top middleweight. When you talk about middleweight here, you talk about how Country C in the Carolina Cantaloupe when they were saying he was a middleweight. One of the fastest middleweights in the game. And this is one of the loudest middleweights in the game right here, man. This motherfucker's super loud. Nice sound, all around sound.
If you can't get by this man here,
Yeah, you stay the fuck away.
don't even look for him.
Yeah, don't even come over here. I'm gonna keep my door closed. But not even this. We got this one. Know y'all got the footage of that one a while ago. Man, these two motherfuckers. This is probably these two vehicles right here. Out of 20 members, is probably in the top 4.
Yeah.
Top 4 loudest vehicles we got.
That's top 2, 3.
Yeah, top 2, 3 right here. Maybe we gotta see what Wayne gonna be. I think Cuz gonna be.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, we're gonna be battling for that second and third spot with him.
Yeah.
I'm ready to hear that thing.
Yeah, man. So we got a lot of pressure coming out of Rolling Loud group this season. And
Gonna be a loud summer.
a loud summer, man. And,
Loud summer.
the thing about it, man, you know, if you ain't part of Rolling Loud, you either roll with us or get rolled on, man. Like you ain't part of the gang. We stepping on shit this season. No disrespect to nobody, no offense to nobody.
Not at all.
It's just the way it gotta be, man. You know what I'm saying?
We letting this be known.
Yeah, these boys done put a lot of money into these bills. I done put a lot of time in and get them put together. And man, we're gonna enjoy it this season, man. We're gonna
Have a good time.
have a damn good time this season. So y'all can look for us in the streets this summer. We outside this summer, man.
You barely gonna catch just one by himself.
We running packs, man, like the strays do. You gonna catch 2 or 3 of us by ourselves. So
Yeah.
but June 14th,
Make sure.
make sure y'all pull up Rolling Loud Auto Fest, Suntex, Saltillo, Mississippi. We'll post the flyer to everybody. Man, y'all make sure y'all come pull up. If anybody think that y'all loud enough or y'all worthy enough to be part of our team, you know, we are accepting new members at this time. You get out to Zach King, Malik King, any other members, reach out to any of the members that's a part of Rolling Loud. And
I'm
they'll
the
get
CEO.
yeah. This is COO. This our COO right here, man.
Yeah.
I gotta give him a title, man. 'Cause this boy here, this boy bring a lot of goddamn money to the group, a lot of goddamn attention to the group. You know what I'm saying? So
We outside.
yeah. If you can't get in touch with nobody, you can get in touch with this man right here. He'll point you in the right direction. Give you, you know, he'll direct your call to who it need to be directed to.
Correct.
But all in all, man, it's gonna be a loud season. Roll with us and get rolled on, man. Rolling Loud to the motherfucking front.
And also one thing.
Hold on, let me get the camera from you.
One thing. If y'all didn't know also though, you know, if y'all do want some audio installed though too, like y'all want to also like y'all got the speakers, y'all got the equipment, but y'all don't have no way to install it or knowledge to install it. Also contact this guy right here too. He can do the install for you too. We got another member too. We call him Uncle T. He just left in the white Avalanche.
Yeah, we got several members that can do installs. If I can't get you, we got me, we got Austin, we got Uncle T.
Yeah.
Those are probably our top 3 installers.
Yep.
Get with me on the tuning if you need a good tune job.
Yeah.
Holla at your boy. I feel like this is just my opinion. One of the best tuners in the area right now.
Oh, no doubt, no doubt.
One of the nicest, one of the nicest installers around.
He got the ghost right.
Yeah, I've said, if you check these bills out right here, any of these bills you see, if you catch them in the streets, any of these bills, and you want to know who tuned these bills, just look no further, man. So it's up this season, man. It's up.
And also, if you want your doors built, we also got some members that build the doors too. So if you want your doors to look like ours or more crazy than ours, we do got members that build doors. We got members that build boxes. We got members that build walls. Whatever you need.
Pretty much anything dealing with audio,
We got it.
just holler at us. I mean, we are Rolling Loud, and this group is based around audio.
Yep.
So anything dealing with audio, like he said, man, whether it's install, fabrication, box builds, anything that you need when it comes to audio, just reach out to any member of Rolling Loud, and we'll get y'all, we'll get y'all right.
And that includes power supply too. I know y'all got some people probably like, well, what about battery supply? If y'all got 5 Walmart Everstart batteries and it ain't cutting it, and we also can get you on some lithium too, because we do that too. You know, so we got
we offer several services, man. Pretty much.
We got it all in house.
Everything when it comes to this music stuff, man. And like I said, it's a live. It's gonna be a live one, man. It's up. Roll with us to get rolled on. We got a couple different audio, couple more audio clubs in our area. And like I said, once again, no offense to nobody, no disrespect to nobody, but you ain't part of the game. We got to see y'all, and that's just the way it is.
We got to see them.
Y'all either get down or lay down. Y'all come find us. Y'all really need to come find us, because if we had to come find y'all, it's gonna be a motherfucking problem. And this ain't. This ain't being too cocky and nothing. It's just we confident now, man. We got a hell of a team. As a team, we got that shit for y'all. So
so we coming for the 662 crown. I guess you can put it that way right there.
That's what I feel. Yep. North Mississippi.
Yeah. North Mississippi crown. And hopefully we're going to improve ourselves at scraping with some of the audio quality and bills we got right now. Yeah. And like I said, this is just the first year that we ever came to this level right here.
Yeah,
so we just, for later on down the year, we just going to keep going on and up.
Keep recruiting.
Keep recruiting, keep getting members. Some members might have some 4-4 walls, 6-order. We do like to have some members, more members with some wall builds.
Yeah.
But
so we are definitely growing. Slow motion is better than no motion, as I like to say. Yeah. I think I started going to scraping 2 years ago. This will be my 3rd year going to scraping. First year I went to scraping, I was the only member to register on the Rolling Loud, just me. 2nd year, we had about 6 registries, 6 members. This year, I think we had like 20 members attending, our 3rd year attending scraping. So we definitely are growing. We definitely hope to go this year and make a statement as a unit and as a Rolling Loud this year. I think they'll definitely, this year after we leave, they'll definitely know who Rolling Loud is after we leave this year. I'm definitely confident in that. Very confident in that. Y'all come to us and check us out. You see any vehicle, get the logo out there. Go get the logo on the back of that motherfucker.
Go get the logo?
Yeah,
all right.
Get the logo.
All
Y'all see one of these logos out there?
We got a few different logos, but
yeah, we got a couple different. But if y'all see anything with that logo on it, that's pretty much our booth. We'll all pretty much be parked together. We'll try to at least get all of us, most of us, in one spot.
We're going to be around.
Yeah, we'll be doing a bunch of demos and stuff at scraping. I mean, compared to some of the other huge bills, scraping is a huge show, so I ain't saying we gonna dominate scraping, but we'll definitely be heard at scraping. They'll definitely hear us out there.
Anything else you gotta say, Malik?
That's all I gotta say. More content coming soon. I'm trying to, as close to scraping getting closer, we're trying to stay a little more consistent on the content. And also, F-150, she almost done. I'm almost done with the software, so when I pop up with the F-150, I'm definitely want to change the culture in the 11 gen game, just in the F-150 game, period. But that's all I got to say. This is King Boy Channel, and we out.